So today I'm going to be showing you how you can make money straight from your phone on sites like Redbubble or with print on demand in general. It's a quick one, but pay attention. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print on demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can make money with print on demand on sites like Redbubble. If you are new to this game, I do have a free print on demand starter guide that's linked down below, as well as a paid step-by-step guide for anyone looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing. But jumping straight into this video, if you want to make money from your phone on sites like Redbubble, you want to first download an app that will allow you to make designs on your phone. Now, I've made a video like this in the past, but the app that I spoke about last time, the Over app, has changed slightly. It now has a new name. So whether you're on Apple or on Android, you can download the app I'm about to talk about now, and it's called the Studio app by GoDaddy. Now, if you go on your App Store or your Android Play Store, you literally just want to search Studio. Once you search Studio, there'll be an option that pops up at the top. You don't want that one. You want GoDaddy Studio, which used to be the Over app, as you can see in brackets. I've already downloaded it. So once you have it, you can open it. If you don't have the Studio app already, it will ask you to create an account. I'm sure you can either link it to your Google account or you can create a free account. Once you have the account created, you can then open up the app. Very easy to do. This will be the front page you will have once you actually have the app set up. And all you want to do is click on the plus. From this point, you can literally click transparent. And after clicking transparent, you can then choose the dimensions you want to work with. You want to make sure that the constrained proportions are turned off. Otherwise, it will just keep the width and the length exactly the same. And then once you do that, for the width, you want to put 5,000 and the height you want 7,100. Now, these are my dimensions I usually work with, mainly because they work really well with things like greetings cards and posters, even t-shirts, and these are things that sell well for me. And obviously with stickers, this works okay as well as other products that are on sites like Redbubble, as well as other print on demand sites. Now, once you have that done, you want to click tick. And at this point, you can start making your designs. Right, so if you didn't watch my top 10 trends of the week video, I talked about a niche, Dinner Lady Gobble Squad. For the guys in the US with Thanksgiving coming up, this is something that could potentially be doing well. Now, if I was making a text-based design for that niche, what I would do on here, I'll first click on the A for text, and then I'll type in what I want to type in. So I'm gonna type in all caps, Dinner Lady Gobble Squad. Now this is all rough. I'm literally just making it from scratch quickly just to show you guys how this site works. Now I usually like to make sure that everything's kind of in proportion. So I'm gonna go a word per line. And then once you have your text selected, obviously you can work with this, but if you don't like the font, at the bottom you can scroll along and pick other fonts. I don't like the way it's kind of slanted, so I will scroll down till I find one that's a bit more straight. For me, this works a little bit better. And if I wanted to change the color, I could click on color and obviously find a color that I would like to work with. Now, to kind of represent Thanksgiving, I feel like going with the orange would work fairly well. Looking through the settings, there's a variation of things you can do, play around with. But from what I can see, if I was making a simple text-based design, this is something I could potentially go for. Let me quickly go through the fonts, see if there's anything that stands out a little bit more. This one looks fairly okay as well, not too bad. If you want to go into shapes, some of these you can only use if you have the premium. If you don't have the premium app, what I usually like to do, I click on graphic, then I go on basic shapes, and then through the basic shapes, you can pick what you want to work with. So for example, you got the square there, you got the circle there, and these are things that show on the basic shapes. But yeah, I just wanted to quickly show you how this site works if you are interested in working with it. And if you want to save your design afterwards, you click this arrow at the top corner and you can just save it to your phone. You can actually upload from your phone to Redbubble. If you guys want a tutorial on that, let me know and I can do a full video tutorial on how you can make a design and then upload it to Redbubble from your phone. But this app, GoDaddy Studio, is the app you want to be using to make your designs, to make money literally from your phone. If you catch a trend, no matter where you are, you can make the designs without struggle. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and always remember that everything is rigged in your favor and manifest success.